Good evening, I'm Nicole Collins. Fairly dry conditions for today, but that rain pushing in this evening. After that moves out tonight, we've got some flurries on the backside of that, sticking through the day tomorrow and into Tuesday. Along with that, temperatures taking a dip on Tuesday, those highs down into the lower 30s. After that, though, drying things out for Wednesday and gradually warming up those temperatures as well. For today, those highs across the region mostly up into the 40s, 43 degrees in Albany, 41 degrees right here in Binghamton, topping off in the mid to upper 40s down towards Scranton, out towards Elmira, and right up towards Syracuse. Tonight we are keeping with mild conditions at low, really only falling down to 38 degrees, but it still won't be too comfortable outside. We've got that rain persisting at least through the beginning part of those overnight hours. And from that radar from earlier, you can see that rain starting to push into our area. As we track that throughout tonight, that will continue on and off throughout the beginning part of tonight. By tomorrow morning, we've got some flurries moving off of Lake Erie right into the southern tier. That continues throughout your day tomorrow. By tomorrow night, that's where that lake effect bands really start to intensify in those areas just east of the Great Lakes, all thanks to some cold air pushing down into our area. As that cold sticks with us through Tuesday, those lake effects bands continue to dump just east of the Great Lakes. Taking a look at those totals with that lake effect snow as we head into the start of Monday night where everything starts to intensify. Some of those areas already seeing up to half a foot of snow. As we continue throughout Tuesday and throughout Wednesday, those same areas picking up nearly a foot to a foot and a half of snow coming off those lakes. So if you're traveling further north or west over the next few days, make sure you're keeping an eye out for that snow. But if you're staying here in the southern tier, not much to worry about. We're probably going to see maybe an inch in total over the next few days. And that's all thanks to this cold moving into our area. It really starts to make its way into the southern tier by Monday at night. And with that, that's what's causing all of that lake effect snow to intensify as that cold air sticks with us through Tuesday, through Wednesday. Those lake effect bands just continue to dump. Finally, it retreats further north as we head into Wednesday night, giving us some relief from that snow. And with that, we've got those main three ingredients for that lake effect snow. We've got that northwest wind blowing cold air right over that lake. And relatively speaking, the lake water is fairly warm compared to the air. We're still in November, so it really hasn't gotten a chance to cool off just yet. With those ingredients, we've got plenty of clouds forming off of the lakes, really just dumping those snow showers just east of the lakes. But right here in the southern tier, we've just got some passing snow flurries throughout the day tomorrow and fairly seasonable temperatures that high back up into the mid to lower 40s. Tracking conditions into your 7-day forecast, we got those flurries sticking around for Monday and Tuesday, but look at those temperatures on Tuesday. A high of only 32 degrees, a low of 24 degrees. It will be quite frigid. On Wednesday, though, drying out conditions and finally warming up those temperatures. By Friday, we're back into the mid 40s, but another chance of rain moving in. On Saturday, drying things out for one day, but back with more rain on Sunday. So just a few flurries around for the start of the week here in the southern tier, but if you're heading further north or west, make sure you're keeping an eye on that lake effect snow. Stay tuned for sports up next.